for a luxury home in one of the most sought-after golf and resort communities here in Guanacaste, we'll look no further than Llama del Bosque. This is an incredibly spacious kitchen featuring GE profile stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and designer cabinetry. This exquisite home features 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths with a courtyard pool and a waterfall feature. It is an incredible rental income generator. One of the major benefits of being inside of Reserva Conchal is you have access to many amenities such as a multi-million-dollar beach club and of course this championship 18-hole golf course. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this fabulous property here at Reserva Conchal. Please keep it on your radar for your next great investment or your permanent home here in paradise. And of course, if you like what you saw, give this video a like and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Pura vida.